Little snow this morning. And a little ship pot. She likes it. It's supposed to snow all day today, so that's good. Maybe we'll get a few inches. There she is out there showing off. Thinking she's really cool. Hubbard! Get him! She likes the snow. So yeah.